Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Weens. I'm in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and I'm with the Best of Sri Lanka Food Tour, the Hungry Tourist. Today we are gonna start off, we're in Peta in the busy market area of Colombo. We're gonna start off for lunch, and then we're gonna drive to Weligama, which is in the south of Sri Lanka, and that's on the beach. We're gonna have dinner on the beach. Not totally sure all that we're gonna do today, but I'm gonna share it with you in this video. And we just arrived for lunch. Hello.
My friend, I really like you. You know, I mean, I was following you. Northern Jaffna street food.
Oh,
so I've come up north.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how you get the different sort of community. And you like to do the kitchen also? Yeah.
Sure, we could. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a restaurant that serves northern Sri Lankan food, Jaffna, from Jaffna Food. So we came into the restaurant, it's a very low spot. They have all the curries in the front. There's a crab curry, there's chicken, there's cuttlefish. Oh, it smells incredibly good.
So this one, the fish.
You come to eat here often? You come to eat?
Yeah. Carrots.
I think maybe more of a kitchen is up here. Steps are a little narrow, so be careful of your step. It smells incredible up here.
I got a little bit.
Hello.
Will do. There's some serious omelet making skills and some serious egg beating skills. Spicy one?
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay, cool. Okay, all of us are trying the extra spicy omelet. Whoa, it's amazing. It's so salty. Oh man. Oh, there's so much like chili paste in there. That's amazing. It's all served on a banana leaf. You get rice, you get the different curries, you get dal. Oh, wow.
So this is prawns and this calamari. Spicy one, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
You want spicy?
Those are blue crabs, yeah?
Yeah, it's a blue sand.
Okay, thank you.
I got red rice. They dish you the dal. They dish you the different curries. The achar. I got a spicy omelet. There's crab curry. There's prawns curry. There's cuttlefish. It's all here. It's all served on a banana leaf. I'm gonna set this camera down. Another extra spicy omelet. But what you can do, you can mix in. You mix with your fingers. Carrots and yes, please, sure. Mutton? Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome. Mutton. Oh yeah.
What I learned about these places, these people do not have an easy life. The only point of comfort in their lives is when they sit down to eat. So they make the most out of it. You know, even with no money and no nothing, they create genius food just to create these magical moments of comfort in their life.
Okay, mutton curry. Dump this on the rice. These little guys. Okay, now we have a complete meal set. But you can even see the curry leaves in here. The mutton curry mixed in.
Oh yeah, thanks bro.
Oh, mutton curry. Oh yeah. Let me try the omelet. Again, another extra spicy. There's chili paste in it, and there's chilies. Mix that with the mutton. Oh, that omelet with the mutton curry sauce. It's amazing. For the crab, I'm gonna break this crab in half here. Oh, it's so juicy and oh, there's so much curry sauce inside of it. Oh wow, open it up.
This time of year is crazy.
Okay. Oh, it's so flavorful. The crab is sweet. The crab is awesome. I haven't made it there yet. The meat just flows out, and then that curry sauce is awesome. The curry leaves in there. Okay, I'm gonna dig into that fish now. Oh, it's so crispy. Mixing with the curry, mixing with the everything.
Have the omelette?
It's just one of those meals where you want to throw down. You just like focus on the food and you can't even speak during this meal. Ending with a drink now. It's a little bit sour and I don't know, it's kind of like mustardy. Almost mustardy but sour, like a sour drink. It's really good. Thank you so much, man. That was an amazing meal. Thank you, thank you. Wow, just like waddling out of here. That was amazing, amazing meal. The flavors, the spices. Sinan, how was that, dude?
It was amazing, man. I loved it.
Such a good meal. Confused, I don't even remember where I am after that meal. Okay. But yeah, we are moving on now. We're driving to Weligama, which is in the south. It's about a 2.5-hour drive to the south of Sri Lanka, and we are on our way now. Belly very full and very happy.
Thank you. All right.
Yama, it's about a 2.5-hour drive. Time to take a nap. Micah's already sleeping. Yes!
Why don't we try?
Oh yes.
They're not selling it, but like we'll get it from them.
Oh yes.
You like durian?
I love durian.
Really?
The best.
Yeah.
So we were driving past, we were almost to Weligama actually, or maybe we are in Weligama, but we saw a truck selling local durian. And the truck was actually like, they were stuck. I think the truck was broken down, but they waited for us. We pulled them over, they waited for us. They're about to get some durian. They're not selling them, but for us they decided to make an exception. And you can smell them. I'm in the right van with the Malaysians, the Thais, and the Rosina. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh. Can we just get him to follow us back to the hotel then?
Yes.
You can buy then.
Má thải nó. Này cá.
You want to buy a basket? Sure.
How is that?
Yes.
First bite of Sri Lankan durian. Oh, it's so creamy, so buttery, just a hint of bitterness. It's amazing, yeah?
Right? I don't know how people don't like to eat this because it's so
unbelievable.
So good.
It's so creamy.
Yeah.
I think they're negotiating to buy an entire basket of durian to bring back to the hotel, or to bring outside of the hotel, but it's good. It's really, really good. And we're having one more as we stand here.
Big video, yeah.
It's always good to have impromptu durian. And everyone we've tried, I think we've had about 4 standing here. They all taste different. They're all different sweetnesses, all different like complexities. This one is less sweet and not quite like as flavorful actually. Still good though. I think we are finished here. We got some durians to bring back for the others as well.
Okay.
Oh yeah. You want soursop so bad too.
More durian. We need one more.
We just made it down the road like 100 meters and there's another fruit stall. Oh man, lots of beautiful fruit. There's bananas, there's more durian, there's rambutan, there's star fruit, there's tomatoes, there's pineapples, there's soursop. We need to get some soursop.
My name Michael.
Oh, cool.
Paika, very good.
Cool. Thank you very much. Do you have wood apple today? Wood apple.
Yes, everything. I have everything for
Oh, there's the wood apple over there. Okay. Oh, thank you. Mango.
No, is that mango? Yeah. Wow, it tastes like honey. It's like the sweetest mango you'll ever have.
Wow.
It's so delicious.
It's so sweet. Like unbelievable.
honey mango, honey.
It's almost like sweet and starchy.
Yeah, true.
The right one.
Yep.
Suja.
Okay, this is the sour sop. Oh, sour sop is awesome. Beautifully sour, but like creamy, like milky sourness. Round 2 durian.
Nice one.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, we had to try another durian. This is a smaller one. Yes.
This is way better. We're getting better. We're upgrading every round with stuff.
I'm just hearing some grunts.
Small seeds.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this one is amazing. Oh, that's the taste right there. The bitterness, slightly fermented, and nutty. Oh man, yeah, that one. Okay, that's a taste right there. This one is even better.
I think we need another one of these.
Yeah.
I think we need another one of these. This is why I'm hanging out with the Malaysians, Ben and Bobby. Whenever you're eating durian, you will always hear, I need another one.
Yeah. Right after we all wash our hands, guys.
The sacrifice. No.
Can't take it.
I'll just have half. Next durian. These little guys have impressive flavor. Oh, wow. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a seat here. I think I'm just gonna move into this fruit stall.
Funky on the outside.
Smells like cheese, yeah.
No apple. It's good.
Oh yeah. There it is. What is that one?
This is honey.
Oh, honey. Wow.
Palm honey.
Palm honey.
Honey bunny.
All right, you go first.
Yes. But the taste is awesome.
Good.
Yeah.
So another fruit that you have to eat when you're in Sri Lanka is the wood apple. And when I was in Sri Lanka, my last trip, which was in like 2012, I believe. No, it was like 2010. But I remember eating wood apple on every single day, every single occasion. And just kind of scoops it into your hand. Oh yes, that is the taste I remember. It's pudding. It's kind of like tamarinds to me. Very sour, like mushy because it's extra ripe, and it's just unique. It's a fruit you gotta try. It's amazing. And with that palm honey, pretty good, man.
Clean in the blood, yes. Clean in the blood.
Dude, that's very good.
You make this the juice, very good.
Very nice.
You make the juice. You see last one need. No. Last one. This
Oh, lamut.
sweet potato.
Potato?
Yes. Rasai.
Oh yeah, this one. I forget the English name though.
It's like chiku.
Ying.
It's very fruit. Very fruit. Very sweet. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Okay, have a good day. Okay, that was a completely impromptu, massive fruit buffet stop. And we are back in the van. Micah, did you?
No. It's not him.
Is it the
red? I love it. Poor Michael's gonna get blamed. It's like you asked him, did you? Then you're like, nope, it's durian.
Micah, I'm very sorry for blaming that on you. I had forgotten already that we had 6 durians in the back. We made it to Weligama after that durian craziness and fruit buffet. Checked into the hotel. The view from the room is incredible. We're gonna be staying here for a couple of nights, have a little bit of time to relax, and then we're gonna be going to dinner, but just come check out this view. Oh man, I didn't even know this was such a surfing beach either. How do you open it? Open this up. Oh, there we go. Oh, the sound of the ocean, the waves. Oh, tons of surfers out there. For dinner tonight, we're actually gonna be eating on the beach, on the sand at a restaurant, which was just a 15-minute drive down from the hotel. The water is beautiful. Sri Lanka is beautiful. The coconut trees, the lapping waves. It really is a beautiful, stunning island. And we're getting ready to sit down for seafood tonight for dinner. Food?
Here we go. Don't hold back. Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh. Nice.
Oh, fried butter shrimp, I believe. Oh, wow. Oh, that's awesome. Crispy, shrimpy, wonderful.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, go for it.
All right.
Delicious.
It's fresh local tuna from Sri Lanka. Oh, wow. Oh, that's stunning. Melts in your mouth. Sesame seeds, I think, crusted around it. Really good.
It's okay over there.
Delicious.
How's your aunt?
I'm loving life right now. Put it right in front of me.
This is stuffed potatoes, stuffed with potato. This is squid. This is a very local dish. You will only get it from here. And he got it from a special place. Like he's from the southern side.
That is that telvidang. It's like a mustard and like vinegar mixed,
So
with like a lot of onions and stuff.
Thank you, sir. And so what's awesome about this place is that he's serving us all southern Sri Lankan food. So it's all from this region, regional Sri Lankan food. One of the dishes that you'll only find in the south is the stuffed squid, which is from here. Oh wow. Oh, that's amazing.
Local bread.
Oh, thank you.
What a beast.
Thank you.
Tomatoey, mustardy taste to it. Really good. And then the squid is so soft. This is some of the fish. It's topped with onions. You can see the turmeric on it. It smells incredible, and he brought it over on a platter.
With moldy fish.
Oh wow.
That's with moldy fish.
Oh. Oh, what is that?
Oh yeah. That looks good. That
Okay,
looks
so
awesome.
this is a southern katta sambal. It's filled with moldy fish. Like, you know, it's a southern style.
Nice.
And that's dry fish.
Yeah, this is the caravella. This is also very, very famous in Ceylon. Like, you know, we do like a whole array of dry salted fish with chilies and onions. So this is that.
So it's kind of like a condiment, or it's a main
It's a
dish?
condiment.
Yes, look at this.
Dude,
Yes.
it just never ends.
Yes. Woo. What is it?
I don't know, but
But it looks
it
incredible.
looks tantalizing.
The onions on that fish, they're just blooming. Okay, just brought out a few more dishes that we need to have immediately.
Oh man.
Oh, thank you. I think it's almost like a relish. You can see the onions in there. You can see there's meat as well. Oh,
Are we waiting for something with us? Or can we go?
it's like caramelized oniony, saltiness, chili, stunning.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh,
Thank you.
yep. There we go.
Oh, thank you guys.
Teamwork.
Yep.
Look at this prawn. Look at that curry sauce. The curry sauce is just juicing into the prawn. I'll come back for the head later. Oh, look at that. Oh, the thickness of that.
I think that's the first time I ever heard David say there's something spicy.
Oh, wow.
Right,
No.
right
Thank you.
there.
Oh, that prawn. It's incredible.
One is amazing.
It's so meaty. It's so muscular. Mmm. Mmm.
Give me that prawn.
Thousand.
Dude, are you resaucing me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Look at that.
Oh.
I've ever heard, are you resourcing me?
Yeah.
That's a true
Dunkage,
friend.
please. Dunkage.
That's a
Just dunk here.
that is a true friend.
Yeah.
A true friend.
Just getting better here.
Thank you.
So I just want
Oh,
to be resourced.
dude. I want to shower in that sauce.
Sorry.
Oh. Part of the reason this meal is so much fun is because of everybody that's here.
Yeah.
Honey, the Bedouin foodie, Sinan, Duty,
Look at my hands.
Yeah, yum.
Eating with good people makes the food even better. But the food is, yeah, the food is unbelievably good.
No, hey, wait. Put these guys there.
God, these guys are going delirious from the food.
This is gonna be the best. Okay, guys.
I'm taking some of that right here.
Guys. Go ahead.
Oh, wow.
Cheers. Yeah.
How is that?
It's just stunning.
Is it good?
I'm covered in spice. Oh, that is ridiculously good.
Wow.
Out of control. That. Wow. Yes.
Hannah.
That looks deep.
Yeah.
Should we check the tip? It's about 2 centimeters.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look at that.
I'm going right for the money.
I'm going for this. Look at this. This looks like friendly.
How is it, Sinan?
It's unbelievably good. It's delicious.
Look at this.
Ready?
A boneless drumstick.
Mark, I want to dedicate this for you.
Boneless drumstick.
Dedication for Mark.
Oh, thank you.
It looks
That
appropriate.
is like-
Look at this. And then you can take more of this juice here. Look at this. Ooh.
Thank you, David.
Look at this.
People around us must think we're animals.
This is after we've eaten like 20 plates of other food already. We're just all like in a different state of mind. We're seeing things. We're not thinking straight, and it is amazing. The food is unbelievably good. The crab. Oh wow.
Because I love you.
Spoon. Oh wow.
This is love.
Oh wow. Oh, that sauce. Oh, the curry leaves. Oh. Oh, I'm just gonna leave that on my chin for later. Oh. It's almost too much. Look at this. Oh, nice to meet you. Oh.
Okay, it's nothing. There's nothing. It's just pure.
I'm gonna rehydrate. Oh, that sauce.
Yeah, you got it. You got it right.
Got the claw fully sauced, dripping in juices.
Yeah, look at this straggler.
Oh wow. That is, it's actually stunning. Mind-blowing. We just finished with that meal. That was at Zephyr Restaurant, a little bit south, I believe, of Weligama. And we went into that meal. I honestly had no idea what to expect. It's on the beach, it's a beautiful location, and all the dishes that we've had were actually off menu. That's special order, locally prepared. Those are all southern Sri Lankan, specifically southern Sri Lankan dishes, and that was an unbelievable meal. I still can hardly even comprehend how delicious that food was. I want to say a massive thank you to David, the hungry tourist on the Best of Sri Lanka tour, and Ruzaina, and Uchit, and Nick, and Laki for arranging everything. This has been a spectacular day. And again, I had no idea what to expect, but what a day. I'm actually kind of sore in my shoulder from all of that crab eating. It was just, things got a little out of control. So a huge thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, click subscribe now and also click the little bell icon so that you get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye from Weligama, Sri Lanka. See you on the next video.